welcome back to Baby Led Weaning, week 11. We are starting a new week and we are going to start with a simple fruit. It's Monday and we're working with watermelon. Now it's the heat of the summer is here in the south, and so we're going to have this refreshing treat for today. Alright, so all we're doing is serving it like our pinky size pieces. Oh, one just broke. I was putting it on there. But we are going to do a little bit of a different recipe for our popsicles for this week. So just stay tuned for that recipe. Okay, well that is a wrap for the end of this portion. Remember, we are still doing foods 2 times a day until he reaches 10 months. Next, we're going to be working on our vegetables. We have eggplant for today. I'm not quite sure how we're going to make it. I have 2 different ways. I may just make one for Noah separately and then the rest a different way for the rest of the family. But yes, today is Tuesday for our vegetables, working with eggplant. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do, I'm going to slice this up into almost like cakes for Noah specifically, and for the rest of the family, I'm just going to cube it up. But we're going to go ahead and start with a little bit larger than pinky sized pieces. This does carry a lot of water in it. And I'm just going to do 2 for him. Alright, for the rest of it, we'll just slice it up. We're going to put paper towels over and under these because they are going to sweat some of the liquid out, and to grill them or pan fry them, you're going to need all that water out. For the rest of the pan, I've cubed them up and placed them into our dish here, and we're going to add some salt so that these can sweat a little bit better. Okay, so we're just going to add some salt. We're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then come back and pat these dry with a paper towel as well. Okay, next we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil. I have avocado oil, about 1 tablespoon. Probably about a teaspoon of minced garlic and about a couple teaspoons of fresh chopped parsley. Mix that together, and we are going to coat our 2 pieces of eggplant with this. Okay, and we're just going to pan fry these 2 pieces. Alright, we have put this on a medium low, and we're now testing it out. It's fork tender, so these are done. And we're going to take the peeling off before serving. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. Alright, and now we are eating our eggplant. I have cut it up into pinky-sized pieces, so he is good to go. What do we think? Welcome to Baby Led Weaning, day 5. We're working on our allergenic food day, and we're out catching our food today. So here is Creed,
the crab catcher,
with the crab net and a chicken foot because crabs will eat chicken. Bam. And the conditions are a little rough today, but we're gonna try our best. Creed, put the chicken in the net, and then let's bring it out there and just set it out and wait for crab to get on the net.
Alright, my plan is to sit right here. You know, set the chicken in here, set it out. Oh, also, hermit crab.
There you go. Now you'll just have a little bit of distance away from the net, and you just kind of hold it there until you can see a crab walk into it.
Wait, I gotta bring this closer. I can't really see.
Oh yeah, it's murky.
Thinking here.
You know what? I bet on that rock over there would work.
Like right about.
No. Like, yeah, go a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper. Boom, right there. Now, when you lay try and lay the stick down, because if I see you moving it, I'm not going to it. Right down that rock, Creed. See the rock closer to you? To the left? To your left? Yep, lay it right on there. Lay the stick on there. No, lay the stick on there. Keep the net right there. Good. Lay the stick.
No, my chicken.
You're fine. Good. Lay the stick. Perfect.
And then barnacle boy.
And now we wait.
Hey, there's a bit of dialogue I want to add to it. Can I say something? The beach was a bust, so we're going to head to Ariel's friend's house and see if we can catch any crabs there. Hey! It is day 2 of catching crabs, and we are at Tara's. We do have a crab trap out, and I guess let's see what we've got. Yeah. This thing is heavy. Well, we got a fish.
Keep pulling.
Hold up.
Use your legs.
It's stuck. Well, we didn't catch crabs, but we caught a fish, so I guess we're gonna have to try again. Oh, it's a pretty cool fish. And there are millions of mayflies.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are working on our Thursday food, pinto beans, so just follow along. Okay, we're gonna just open the can, pour this in. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of cumin and about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And just give this a stir. We're going to cook these down until they're a little bit more of a puree. We have it on medium heat, and we're just going to cook these down until the beans are a little bit more of a puree. I'm going to add some avocado in and give it a little bit of creaminess. Here's the other one. Inflatable armband. Alright, here, all mixed in here. So any beans that are left over, we can just squish them with your finger. Alright, Noah, you ready? is.
Was that good? That was good, huh?
I can't believe it. Is she watching it? That's her first time seeing this, right? Oh, yeah. Is that good, man?
It's the same as the
I
front.
think it's a good one.
This okay.
All right, can't wait for our next meal. Crab.
Yeah, that's what
Okay, so we are making our allergenic food for the week. It's Friday and we have our blue crab. It's late at night, so we're just kind of doing this a little bit differently. As you can see, we did not catch any crabs, so my mom actually went out and bought a container of some lump crab. So we're gonna start off with this in a bowl, and then we are gonna chop up, set this aside, we're gonna chop up some bell peppers first and cook those down. Next we're gonna mince up 2 shallots. Okay, keep it paused. Okay, we have 1 bell pepper. We're gonna chop this up really fine. Okay, we're gonna put our pan on medium heat and add some avocado oil. Let the pan get nice and hot. Okay, we're gonna add our red bell pepper that's minced. Next, our shallots. And about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And we are going to saute this until our onions are translucent. Okay, now that our onions have been cooked long enough, we're going to go ahead and remove this from the heat. Okay, now we are going to combine our peppers. Combining our pepper and our crab meat. Next we're going to add about half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and then about 1 lemon. So we're going to start with half and see how juicy this one is first, and then we'll add in the whole lemon. I'm going to do about 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Next we're going to add about half a cup to 1 cup of panko crumbs, just depending on your mixture, how wet the ingredients are and how much crab that you're using. So we're going to just pour this in until we reach that good crab cake consistency. Next we're going to add 2 eggs. And we're going to mix this in. Okay, so we have a really good texture consistency to make these crab cakes. So I'm going to go ahead and start forming these, and I'm going to oil the pan up and get this ready for frying. It looks good. For adults, you can definitely add a lot more seasoning. I would suggest adding either some Tony Chachere's or more Old Bay to the mixture. Just for the baby, you don't want to add any more added salt. All right. Okay, I'm placing the pan on medium heat. Just using the same pan that I used to saute our peppers in. I'm also going to have another pan on the side for the rest of the adults in the household and add a little bit extra seasoning to it. So I'm just going to cook these down. Technically, the crab meat is already fully cooked, so they're good to eat now, but we are going to pan fry these until they're nice and golden brown. Okay, these have been flipped halfway, and they should only take a couple more minutes on the other side to kind of brown up, and they will be ready to serve. I'm going to cut them into little pinky-sized pieces again. He is starting to get that pincer graft, so we won't have to be doing this for much longer. Alright. Thank you so much for watching our baby led weaning videos. We really do hope you're enjoying them, and if you are interested in following along, I would suggest just starting from the first video. If you want to know whenever we put out more videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and that way you get notified of whenever there's new ones coming out. Thank you so much. Say bye. Bye.